We have arrived. All right, welcome to Disneyland. New vlog, new day, we're here. Dad's taking a photo, hold on. All right, we're heading in. Got here a little later than expected, but that's okay. Still gonna make everything happen. Run to Galaxy's Edge. I don't know if we're gonna do that first now. There's the gang. Olivia's there. Fired up, so excited. Okay, are we hungry? Are we gonna get something to eat first? I don't know. Here we go, we're walking in, first view. So cool, very different from Japan. For all my Japan viewers, all the real ones.
Shout out.
Shout out. So awesome. There's a really small castle. Another vlogger. Don't subscribe to him. We are entering Batuu, Galaxy's Edge. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna get emotional or not walking in here. I was just telling Olivia I've had dreams about this. I cannot wait. It's not concerning. It's very awesome, and I'm very excited. Just booked our Lightning Lane passes, so we don't have to wait in this line. 3:25 we're coming back to ride it. Oh my god, there's an X-Wing. I think that's an A-Wing. Or a Y-Wing. No, it's an A-Wing. Oh my god. God, this is so cool. This is so awesome. Bathrooms. Oh my god. Oh my, that is so cool. This is the coolest place in the world. Oh my god. This is the Millennium Falcon. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god. They don't care. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I believe that's Sabi. This is so cool. Chewie! That is so awesome. It's the conveyor belt. Droids. God, I thought that was a dog. Okay, we're in Frontierland now. Just left Batuu. We're gonna go back later because we have a ride scheduled for 3:25. This place is so awesome. It smells so good. I'm so happy. I'm a big little kid. Yeah, the guys, Olivia and Dad, are just in line. Gonna get some food. I'm waiting because I'm gonna treat myself later. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. There's Olivia. First bite of a turkey leg. Everyone wants to see that. Frozen lemonade. So good. Oh yeah, 10. First order. We're gonna go do Smugglers Run. That's blue milk. Very cool. We should get some of that. Blue milk taste test. Ready? Oh. You said it tastes like Fruit Loops. It kind of tastes like Fruit Loops.
Why does it look like that?
Really good taste.
Thick milk.
It's like a slushy. It's pretty good though.
Weird.
Yeah? What would you give it?
3.
3? She's crazy.
I don't.
That's a 7.
Everything's
the Millennium Falcon. So cool. We're doing Smugglers Run. Let's go.
Why would you get a drink before?
I haven't enough time. We got an hour.
Another group of flight candidates.
Going on the Millennium Falcon. Oh my god, yes, Olivia, you do.
Just kidding. Good luck.
Gunner, pilot.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
This is so cool! Oh my god! Oh shit.
To his right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Only three.
First churro of the day. Long roll. 10. Oh yeah, baby.
Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow. Devils and blacks, you really managed to go behind the show.
Mickey bar.
We gotta wait a minute.
Oh my god.
We could hammer a nail with this.
Stay tuned.
We'll save you, Piglet.
Coca-Cola from Batuu. We're back in Star Wars land. Gonna run Rise of the Resistance. We got a fast pass though. There it is. How cool. Little turret there. So excited.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander, calm down and let us walk.
We are going in. Oh my goodness. We're going into space. Oh my god, it's that way.
Allies of the Resistance, this vessel is now under control of the First Order. You will all disembark immediately and proceed to interrogation. Move along. That means
Oh my god, this is the coolest thing ever.
utilize both the left or the right side of the aisle. Again, keep your units together.
This is awesome.
The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base.
It's like, oh no, he sees us.
That was the greatest ride I've ever been on in my entire life. I cannot believe how awesome that was. That was the greatest thing. I got emotional at the end. That is coolest. I can't even, I have no words.
So cool.
That is the best ride I've ever been on.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We're in docking bay 7, gonna get some food. We got Tatooine Sunset and Ronto Wraps. Look at that beast. Ronto Wrap, here we go. Mmm.
Oh, gross.
That was amazing. Ronto Wrap is a 9. 9's pretty good. It was amazing. I destroyed it. It was like a
It was really good.
hot dog wrapped in chicken, wrapped in
Double
coleslaw. And yeah, very solid. And this thing is like, oh my god. It's like fruit punch iced tea. It's amazing. That is a 9 as well. That's a 9 meal after an 11 out of 10 ride. Wow. And now it is time for me to pick out and buy a lightsaber. Because it is my birthday on Thursday. And all I wanted on this trip was a brand new lightsaber. Walking on in. Oh my god, here we go. This is gonna take a while. Okay, didn't take that long. Got Qui-Gon Jinn. This thing is heavy. Got a blade too. Buttons here. Take that out for the blade. Emitter. Belt clip. I'm not buying a belt clip, but so awesome. Yeah, unreal. And now we are headed to get some of the lads some birthday gifts because, like myself, we are all big Star Wars fans, and this is the best place in the world to get stuff. So, yeah, they're lucky to have me. What can I say? Jumping into Tomorrowland. Go eat at Pizza Planet later. Oh. Okay, what did we think? Awesome?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 ride.
Just fast. And everything.
Next hurt, everything hurts. That was great. It was, I don't know if it was just me, but it was more hardcore than Japan.
It was
It was cool though. Yeah. Now we are doing Minnie's in Toontown.
Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Ready and...
So nice. That ride was so great. Ah, Sunday. Just about to kill this Sunday, getting ready for fireworks. Ending a great day. Yeah.
Chocolate sauce there?
It's a Sunday, that's awesome.
We got screwed.
It's a Sunday, great. 8, because I could have 800 of them.
Sunday.
This one better not fall on the ground. Okay, and now, oh, it's not just me. It's Olivia too. We are going to see the Millennium Falcon before we leave because it's nighttime and I have to see it. And it's gonna be amazing. And the fireworks were amazing. Way better than Japan. So much better. Japan was awesome, but amazing, 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 amazing. It's all the words I have today. It was crazy before and now it's amazing. Wow. Little night market action. Oh, it's so awesome in here, man. It's so cool at night. Beautiful. Unreal, let's go see. This is amazing. Like, just crazy. Look, you can see to the cockpit. They're so sick of me. I came alone. I don't care. Oh my god, we're back on the Millennium Falcon. It's just me. They're so tired, but I don't care. I want to do this again. When am I going to be here again? Seriously. How are we? How are we? Back on the Falcon. Space test. Amazing.
Just kidding.
Destroyed that. 100%. I don't know if you saw. Big hundos. Let's go. Already done though, so they can't be mad at me for taking too long. Yeah, literally just walked onto that. Amazing. Perfect way to end the night. There's the Falcon again. Gotta find the crew. I think I already see him. Awesome. What a perfect end to a perfect night. Found him. They're yelling my name. That's it. You know what? I'm honestly thinking we're signing off right now. It's been absolutely real. One of the best days ever. So fired up. I know. I see you. Thank you. All right. Signing off. That's it. This is the end of the vlog. Goodbye.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to